Life is full of ups and downs, and sometimes it can be challenging to stay motivated. However, staying motivated is crucial if you want to achieve your goals and live a fulfilling life. In this article, we will explore some tips and tricks to help you stay motivated and achieve your dreams. 1. Set clear goals. The first step to staying motivated is to set clear goals. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. When you have clear goals, it's easier to stay motivated because you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. 2. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool for motivation. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, and focus on the positive feelings that come with success. This will help you stay motivated and on track. 3. Take action. Taking action is crucial to staying motivated. Break down your goals into small, manageable steps and start taking action. Even if you don't feel like it, take action anyway. This will help build momentum and make it easier to stay motivated. 4. Celebrate small wins. Celebrating small wins along the way is essential for staying motivated. When you achieve a small goal, take time to celebrate and acknowledge your progress. This will help you stay motivated and on track. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positivity is essential for staying motivated. Spend time with people who support and encourage you, and avoid negative influences that drain your energy and motivation. 6. Keep learning. Learning new things can be a great source of motivation. Take courses, read books, or attend workshops to expand your knowledge and skills. This will help you stay motivated and inspired. 7. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential for staying motivated. Exercise, eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, and take time to relax and recharge. When you take care of yourself, you'll have more energy and motivation to achieve your goals. In conclusion, staying motivated is essential for achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. By setting clear goals, visualizing success, taking action, celebrating small wins, surrounding yourself with positivity, learning new things, and practicing self-care, you can stay motivated and achieve your dreams. Remember, it's never too late to start, and with a little motivation, anything is possible.